Introducing LaserPro, a large-size, high-power, 4-axis, intelligent, easy-to-use, multifunctional, quasi-industrial grade laser engraving machine. LaserPro supports a large engraving size of 305 x 315 mm. It's larger than the A4 size. It can maximize your creativity bigger than you expected. LaserPro uses a 7-watt high-power laser with very fine and precise 0.08 mm light spot. It can easily engrave wood, cut acrylic, and even engrave directly on the surface of stainless steel. With the help of the extended 4th axis, LaserPro is capable of 360-degree rotating engravings on cylindrical objects. Thanks to the laser autofocus, the Z-axis of LaserPro can automatically adjust the focus of the laser. Engraving on curved and inclined objects is not a problem anymore. LaserPro is equipped with a high-definition camera to accurately and intuitively locate the pattern to engrave, and even obtain graphics from the camera and engrave them on the products directly. Just connect your smartphone on the LaserPro by Wi-Fi and start creating, simple and powerful. LaserPro comes with a large memory capacity. Just click the button after sending the file, and leave your computer and smartphone behind. It's easy to create your own manufacturing plant with simple and stable batch of engraving. The TMC2208 drivers and industrial-grade linear guide system ensures LaserPro to work particularly smooth with low noise and fast response for long-life applications.
Faster and stronger. Wainlux L3 has all the functions you desire for engraving. We adopted the most advanced technology to date. Industrial-grade metal guide rails maximize the printing accuracy. The speed of 10-watt semiconductor lasers is 10 times higher than before. Experience the unprecedented fast laser cutting and engraving. Accurate to the width of a human hair. You can easily engrave and assemble outstanding objects. Use mobile phone, Mac, and PC to drag the design into the desired place. Preview in the high-speed printing area to determine the printing position easily. The 10-watt semiconductor laser with LD plus FAC spot compression technology means that you can print on any materials. It can cut 5mm wood easily and quickly, satisfy large area printing needs or batch printing. Wainlux L3 USP can cut holes with exceptionally high precision. It is like tightening leather with a shoelace. Black and white printing and cutting to create 3D images for your materials and engineering drawings. Large printing area, 19 by 21 square centimeters. The repeat printing position memory function helps you make dozens of copies quickly and easily. Wainlux L3 has a laser displacement sensor for distance measurement, which can follow the curved surface to automatically focus. Use the expansion roller to rotate 360 degrees to engrave cylinders and spheres. You can turn daily necessities into a unique gift or a thriving business. You can become an artist, pastry chef, costume designer, or architect. Wainlux L3 is an easy-to-use and safe tool that anyone can use. This is by far the best high-speed multi-function intelligent laser engraving machine.
Looking for an outlet for unlimited creativity? Take control of the new Daja laser engraver. It's powerful, affordable, and easy to use. 3W power allows you to quickly carve out your creativity. Highly accurate for precise engraving. Easily sees the details at 0.05 millimeter accuracy. Easily create custom designs, patterns, or text and engrave in minutes. Engraves on any surface. Simply sketch out your idea and leave the rest to Daja. A creative feast is ready. In addition to engraving, Daja also cuts material. Why not piece together a world map? The semi-open aluminum structure is sturdy and durable and allows for unlimited engraving sizes and angles. Daja has comprehensive security features. A portable security cover, a specially designed cooling fan, the Daja laser engraver, engrave wallets, engrave tools, carve out artwork. With coated metals, Daja can be spontaneously creative.
LaserPecker 2, the new ultra-portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine, adopts our most advanced technology so far. Industrial high-speed galvanometer solution, 10 times the speed increase. This means fast, super fast. The high-speed preview program supports square preview and graphic preview. You get what you see. An upgraded 5-watt semiconductor laser with compressed spot technology. This means you can engrave anything, and it will give you higher power and more possibilities. The features of LaserPecker Pro are more amazing than before. It makes engraving easier. Handheld portable engraving, 360-degree rotating engraving, intelligent mobile engraving. The maximum size that can be engraved is 100 by 200 millimeters. Suitable for various materials. Motorized height adjustment, easy operation. 5-watt power supports cutting wood, paper, acrylic, leather goods with thickness below 5 millimeters. If you need to engrave 1 or 100 products, LaserPecker Pro will engrave at an amazing speed. LaserPecker Pro has the highest level of security protection. Super portable. Put it in your backpack. Turn on the power and you can use it anytime, anywhere. LaserPecker can always capture the smallest details. We have been working so hard to improve the portable commercial high-speed multifunctional intelligent laser engraving machine. Now we are back. Be the first one to enjoy LaserPecker 2.
Cubio 2, a revolutionary laser cutter and engraver. Light and portable, quick and easy. You can draw anything. Preview your work. Start with a beautiful fountain pen. Cubio 2 can easily engrave on curved surfaces. Make a special gift for your loved ones. choose any picture, and you can make it happen. With the versatile Qubio 2, the Eiffel Tower is right in front of you. Bring your imagination to life. Cut leather quickly and easily. Create your own design. Our software can handle all your professional needs. Enjoy your very own moonlight on acrylic. You can use a wide range of materials. Have fun with your family. It's easy and safe. You can even decorate a birthday cake. Make an ordinary day extraordinary. Anytime, anywhere, make your dreams come true. Qubio 2.